So one fine day, one of our leaders called me and he said, Raj, tu gada hi rahega. You will never grow in your life.
I have read your LinkedIn profile, lift others to get lifted. ये लाइन भी काफी अट्रैक्ट इसने किया मुझे. So what is the concept of this lift others to get lifted?
I think I was an assistant manager way back in 2003-4, and I used to work like nuts. So one fine day, one of our leaders called me and he said, Raj, tu gada hi rahega. You will never grow in your life. And I used to work really hard. So I'll come to office at 9 o'clock, we'll stay there till 9 in the evening, and maybe stretch further. And did pretty well. Got promoted, few months back, became a manager. I was on top of my, game in my mind. And my boss saying, "Tu gada hi rahega," and I said, "Will you mind elaborating?" And he said, "Sleep over it," because it was already, I think, 10:30 in the evening, and I could not sleep that night. It was very difficult. So I continued imagining what kind of a donkey I would look like. And in the morning when I reached office at 9 o'clock, I knocked his door and I entered, and this guy was working in his corner. And he did not turn, and I said, "Sir, you wanted to discuss with you." What? I said, "You said." And he said, "What I said?" I said, "कि मैं गधा ही रहूंगा." He said, "What?" And I repeated, कि मैं गधा ही रहूंगा. So, what do you want? वो तो सच है. I said, "You said elaborate." Then he turned his, "Oh, you want elaboration on that?" And then he said, कि तेरा job क्या है? I said, "Sir, this is my job." I explained, ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया. मतलब you just numbers was easy, and he said, तेरा job क्या है? Then I explained more. Said 0 से 3 बढ़ के इतनी हो गई, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. And then he said, तेरा job क्या है? And when you are young, your capacity to absorb such messaging is also less. And I said, "Sir, अगर मेरे में इतनी बुराइयां थी, तो मुझे 4-6 महीने पहले प्रमोट क्यों किया? तो नहीं हो गई गलती, तो डिमोट कर दे." And then he said, "कॉफी पिएगा?" So I said, "नहीं." Still, we took coffee, and he said, "तेरा job क्या है?" I said, "Sir, don't ask me this question again." He said, "मैं 6 महीने से देख रहा हूँ, तू काम ही करता रहता है." And I said, "तो काम करना छोड़ दो?" कहते, "Exactly, stop working, because your job is not to work. Your job is to lift others, help them learn, help them become better. Because every time you take everybody's laptop or sit down on their desktop, because I worked so hard throughout, if somebody comes to me for help, I will say, "अच्छा, तू side हो जा, मैं कर देता." So he gave me that mantra, which helped me a great deal to grow faster. Lift others to get lifted. He said, "You have to, create your successes and move up. But if you keep working like this, nobody will learn." So that's where the mantra of lift others to get lifted, and it became my, sort of design principle. So wherever I work, my focus is on lifting people. Rest of the thing automatically fall in place. So I believe in, putting the right structure, putting the right people into that, and lift them. I think 80% of my work is done in any organization that I work for.